above question, glass rod gets negative charge. First is correct. Next, cell gets negative charge as he explained earlier. Next, in the above process, no charge is created as it is just redistributed. So third is correct over here. Next is in the process of rubbing, number of transferred electrons are, it's a very small number because only very few electrons are in the outermost shell. So its second option is correct. Next is in the above question, the electrons from the very surface, which are the which are present at the at the very surface, only those are transferred. So loosely bound electrons are transferred. So second option will be correct over here. Next is when a body is rubbed with another, then the body may get charged, the body do not get charged. We have to stick to certain pairs. It depends on the the relative energies of the electrons present in the two substances. As we can see that glass has to be rubbed with wool or silk, or plastic has to be rubbed with fur in order to see their electrification. So certainly we have to stick to certain pairs for the electrification process. So we can say that fourth is the best possible option. So 96 is concerned, we stick to the fourth option. Then is a metal rod hand in hand when rubbed with wool. So the concept here is, suppose there is a metal rod and you are using a wool to rub it. So when you are using your hand, so what will happen is it will certainly acquire a charge. But as human body is conducting, the charge will flow to the ground. So although it has been electrified, but since human body is conducting, so the charge will get transferred in a very short span of time. So if we talk in long terms, in a long time interval, then we can say that there will be no electrification involved. So we can say that it will not show charging. So as per the time duration is enlarged, so in a long term, it will not show charging as charge will flow. So second is correct over here. Next is a metal rod with insulating handle. However, if you repeat the same process by keeping insulating handle, so human body here is conducting. So if you keep insulating handle, then suppose it gets positive charge, this is insulator, so there will no transfer of charge, hence it will show charging, and as it can attract other objects. So if you use an insulating handle, then certainly it will show charging. So we can say that first option will be correct over here. Next is, if we connect a copper wire to a neutral pith ball and a negative charge to the ball, then obviously pith ball will get negative charge as there will be transfer of charge. So second option will be correct over here. Next is, in the above question, if a nylon thread or rubber band is used, so the rubber band or nylon thread is an insulator. So as I explained earlier, so there will be no transfer of charge. So second is correct over here. Next is substances which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors basically. So first is correct over here. Next, conductors have, so they have free electrons in them, because of which they are able to conduct. So first is correct. Next is, which of the following are conductors? All are conductors. Fourth is correct. Which non-metals are? All are example of non-metals. Four is correct. Next is, non-metals offer high resistance to the flow of electricity. So first is correct over here. Next is, substances are. So substances may be metals, non-metals, or semiconductors. Fourth is correct. Next is, substances are, they may also be classified as conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Fourth is correct over here.